ocean. The quiet, beautiful water, and I can float really, really good. And I can over here, and I can. Had you ever seen my daughter named Ariel? I love to take your sign. I really miss my daughter. Do you know her name? Had you ever seen? And the limit water right there. So you need a little bit some water.
Mm-hmm.
So you need a little bit more some water.
You want some more in there?
Yeah.
Okay.